Alright, boys, we on the way to the wrap shop right now. We just got an Uber. It's been about 3 days since I had my car, so we're gonna go pick it up right now. I'm gonna show y'all the after result when we get there. Stay tuned, man. We just got to the spot. I see my baby right here. I'm finna take a quick look for y'all boys. Damn, this shit look fire. Hold on. We can put the camera real quick. Y'all see the grill? Well, they gotta put the grill back on. Y'all see the blackout right here? All blacked out. You feel me? Look at the window trims. This shit is pain, boy. Tail lights blacked out. Y'all see the badge blacked out, the grill black. They take the badges off. Come on, man. Look at the window trims. This shit pressure. Oh, this good, you feel me? Next, we're finna get these headlights fixed. Look at this gas, bro. We got the new grill already here, so this is gonna be blacked out, you feel me? Damn. But low-key, like, this is damaged, and they still managed to put it on there with the damage, so that's actually fire that they did that. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see this, like, blacked out, too? Come on, man. So we finna go in here. Yo, this back look fire. Look at the back of this shit, bro. Look at the Cadillac badge. You feel me? Come on, man. I don't want to really show my plate. Hey, man. Look at this Cybertruck. This Cybertruck is gas. So we finna go in here, pay for this mug real quick. Man, I'm excited, bro. This shit look fire as hell. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all just saw it. That shit look too good.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
What you think?
Beautiful.
Love it?
I love it.
Dude, awesome. We tried our best with it. Obviously, you know the condition it was in before.
Yeah.
We painted the bottom chrome pieces. We painted the badges. Thought that looked better than what it was. You know?
No, it's perfect. I love it. I like everything about it. The size. I like the back. The back look hard. The back look mean. Yeah, y'all did good on that. I ain't gonna lie.
Awesome, man. I appreciate it.
I'm gonna have to come back to get my my wheels done. They told me y'all could do my wheels to like powder coat them. So.
Yes, sir.
You're
Wesley, right?
Yes, sir. It's correct. All right, boys. I'm gonna pay for this, and then we're gonna go see the outside of the car, the inside of the car.